Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Oh, so we start off with someone who has super long waist-length hair. So she cuts the hair herself. Obviously, the stylist is going to clean it up. It looks like she gets a really cute pixie bob haircut. Very nice. So moving on to look number 2, she's got a blonde bob. She did a nice little cut refresh here. And then here we have a chocolate bob style. Followed by another blonde bob. Ooh, I love the gorgeous bright blonde color here. And then we have my favorite, the copper color trend bob with bangs. Followed by another beautiful bright blonde bob. And then we have a bit of a cut refresh. Now she has the platinum silver hair color trend here. She's getting a nice little cut refresh on her pixie. I love the amount of fullness that this cut has. Beautiful bangs in the front. And then we hop into a hair transformation. So we have another beautiful blonde bob. The tassel texture. Wow, absolutely stunning blonde bob yet again. Followed by another shoulder length bob cuts. Gorgeous color transformation with that one as well. And then here we have another shoulder length bob. Followed by another shoulder length lob bob haircut style. Gorgeous color work as well. Oh, loving this next bob. This one features a nice angle. And then bam, another classic bob. Followed by another one. I love the dimensional blonde coloring here. We have another pixie bob haircut. She has a nice amount of volume here within this cut. I love the feathered bangs here that the stylist did as well. Very cute. Ooh. So it looks like she wants to go with a pixie for the next one. Quite a drastic transformation because she does have hair that's like around mid-back. Stylist just chops the hair all off. You can see it just falling there. And she also went darker. I was wondering if she was going to go darker like the photo. This is so cute. Very nice. So with that transformation, she definitely wanted a whole new look. So moving on to the next one, looks like we have a cut refresh. It's like a nice classic bob haircut. The off-center part, gorgeous dark strands. I love the amount of shine that she has here. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these bob and pixie hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.